Shri Nitin Gadkari ji, Honorable Union Minister for Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises and Road Transport and Highways, the Government of India. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Dun & Bradstreet, I thank all of you for joining us today for the digital release of our publications, Leading SMEs of India 2020, the Leading Mid-Corporates of India 2020, at the launch event Dun & Bradstreet American Express Banking Corp Business Enterprises of Tomorrow 2020. As you all have witnessed, the COVID-19 outbreak has thrown everyday life and businesses completely off guard. Globally, the situation has led to tectonic shifts in customer behavior, disrupted supply chains, and immensely dented cash flows. It goes without saying that small and medium-sized businesses have had to bear a bigger brunt because of this pandemic. While the government has introduced several measures and initiatives to support businesses and help stage an economic revival, businesses themselves will have to adapt to the next normal and gear up for a quick resurgence as the situation starts to show signs of improvement. SMEs and mid-corporates will need to play a dominant role in this revival. Therefore, we think it would be apt to label SMEs and mid-corporates as the business enterprises of tomorrow. The government has set a target for India to become a $5 trillion economy by fiscal year 2025. In this, the government has envisaged that the SMEs will contribute to 50% of the GDP of the country. To achieve this, MSMEs will have to contribute 75% of the incremental GDP growth between fiscal year 19 and fiscal year 25. This offers an immense growth potential for the SMEs, and to realize this, they should be provided with an enabling ecosystem to accelerate their growth going forward. Dun & Bradstreet India has been engaged with SMEs over the years to understand the issues and challenges that they specifically face. The library of responses we have now compiled covers thousands of SMEs over several years. However, the problems they cite have not changed. Of the many problems, we believe that access to finance and capital is the most critical challenge facing this particular sector. When we talk about access to capital, while banks and financial institutions have previously focused on high value and low risk large companies, there is an increasing consensus around the world that the MSME segment can be served well and on a profitable basis. This is corroborated by our research in this sector. The minority of Indian micro enterprises do have access to external capital. Report ROCE, return on capital employed, of 19%, compared to only 2% of the micro enterprises that do not have access to capital. This is a MSME problem that can be solved, and solved on a profitable basis by the players serving this sector. COVID-19 has given a huge opportunity to India, and the MSME sector is set to benefit from this. Supply chain disruption created by COVID-19 in the world markets have created a space for the localization of the production ecosystem globally. We believe that the government's thrust towards localization will benefit specifically the SME sectors in India. These surely are testing times for all of us, but we need to remember that SMEs are the backbone of our country, and we need to create an enabling environment for them to survive and thrive so that we can achieve our goal of a $5 trillion economy for India. Coming back to today's proceedings, this year, both these publications combined provide listings of more than 10,000 leading small and medium businesses in India. Each of these publications also provide detailed profiles of high-performing small and medium businesses called the Select 500. These are companies which have shown consistent performance over the past years i.e. specifically from fiscal 2017 to 2019. These companies have shown high degree of resiliency for better growth prospects going forward as well. In fact, I would term these businesses as the benchmark setters of success for the SME community. I would like to congratulate all the companies being featured in the Leading SMEs India 2020, Leading Mid Corporates of India 2020. We wish all of them the very best for their future. Before we close, we wish to extend our gratitude to Shri Nitin Gadkari ji for having graced our event today. We are sure that all of us are keen to listen to his perspectives, unique perspectives on the MSME landscape and India's roadmap for economic revival going forward. We would also like to thank all our esteemed dignitaries, Ms. Megha Chopra of American Express Banking Corporation, Mr. B. Raghavendran from Amazon Internet Services, and Mr. Anil Rao, Chief Executive Officer, NTT Data Business Solutions India, for partnering with us and contributing to the success of this virtual conference. Thank you once again.